You will need a chuck roast in the bottom of your crock pot for this. And you will also need a packet of the dry ranch dressing packet, and either a packet of the brown gravy or au jus gravy. 1 stick of butter. Woohoo! And guys, a jar of your very own pickled pepperoncinis. And we're going to use this whole jar plus all of the juices that are in here. Alright, so we're just going to dump this whole jar of pepperoncinis and the juice in there and just spread them around a little bit. Take your packet of brown gravy. Guys, this is so easy. Dump it right on here. Your packet of ranch. Dump it on there. And I keep my butter in the freezer, so you do want to use cold butter when you're doing this. And guys, all you're going to do is take your stick of butter and put it right on top. That's it. Place your lid on, and then you're either going to cook this on high for 4 to 6 hours or on low for 8 to 10, depending on how much time you have. And guys, it is just that easy to make a Mississippi pot roast. I'll show you what it looks like whenever it's finished and how tender it is and how easy it pulls apart. It's delicious. All right, guys, it is done, and I wish you could smell it. Look at how easy this is to pull apart. I mean, it just falls right off the bone. And I did cheat a little bit. I did it on high for like 2 hours and then turned it back to low just to get it started. So I have done that. Now, pieces of fat that are in here, I'm going to pull these off and discard those. But this is good over mashed potatoes, which is probably what we're going to do tonight because I have those canned potatoes that we made last week. And we'll use that to make a quick real mashed potato. And you can also have this as a sandwich too. Makes really good sandwiches. They're really good. But guys, this is using our garden produce. We're using the stuff that we grew this summer to continue eating in the fall and winter months, which is why we do what we do. Today we are making another quick and easy meal using the crock pot. We have a pork butt, and they were on sale at our store, so I picked this up just the other day for $5.85 for this whole thing. This will definitely make at least 2 meals for us. And we're going to put some brown sugar on it, celery salt, and we're going to cook it in apple juice. We have lightly browned the pork butt, and we're going to put brown sugar on it. I don't measure, I just sprinkle. And celery salt on it. And then apple juice, we are just going to pour around the base of it. Now what we're going to do is, once this is done cooking, we're going to discard that apple juice and put barbecue sauce on it once it's finished cooking. Guys, this is it right here. We're just going to put the lid on it, and if you have time, cook it on low. Unfortunately, I started way late in the day, so we are going to put this on high and cook it for about 4 hours on high. At this point, our pork is completely cooked, shredded, and then we put barbecue sauce on top of it. And most people eat this on a sandwich bun or as a sandwich, but I'm going to show you a different way to eat this. When we assemble this, we do it in layers. So first we put French fries in the bottom, followed by cheese, cheddar cheese, a little bit of ranch dressing, our pulled pork, followed by, you guessed it, more cheese. So there you guys have the perfect pulled pork. Several months ago, I made sweet and sour chicken and canned it, and it is good for nights like tonight whenever I only have a few minutes to get supper on the table and it's time to walk out the door. So let me show you how to heat this up and serve it. We're gonna have it with rice. Take your handy dandy tool, put it underneath there, open it up. There's one. There's two. And guys, we're just going to heat this up for 15 minutes in a pot. We just need to warm this up, and then I will add cornstarch and water to this to thicken up the sauce, and then we're just going to have this right over the rice. That's why we pressure can convenience meals at our house for nights like this when I need to get it on the table and I haven't been home all day. I just need something quick and easy. This is our go-to. And there you have a delicious, healthy dinner. It is sweet and sour chicken. It has chicken, pineapple, peppers, onions, and then it is in a pineapple juice whenever you can it. I will link the recipe down below. And just served with a side of white rice. Very easy, put together in 15-20 minutes. Enjoy!